DeLonghi ESAM3300 Magnifica Super Automatic Espresso and Coffee Machine. Patented cappuccino system frother that mixes steam and milk to create a rich, creamy froth. Easy-to-use rotary and push-button control panel with programmable menu settings and beans container capacity is 8.8 ounces. Coffee grounds container 14 cups or after 72 hours from first use. Maximum cup height 4.25 inches. Input power 1350 watts. Grinds beans instantly with the patented, compact and easy-to-clean direct-to-brew system. Use your favorite coffee beans to create your perfect espresso. Beans with less visible oil, usually a medium roast, are recommended for best grinder performance. Maintenance: DeLonghi machines require half the cleaning time of other brands, unlike competitor machines, which require chemical cleaning tablets monthly. The machine does not deliver coffee, but only water is caused due to ground coffee may be blocked in the funnel. Remove the ground coffee inside the funnel using a plastic knife. Then clean the infuser and the inside of the machine. If machine is noisy, refer manual. Energy saving with 3-hour automatic shut-off. Utilize DeLonghi's specialized call center for help in setting up and maintaining your machine. Lat best. Warranties may not apply to purchases from an unauthorized retailer. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.